Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a humble farmer named Hiroshi. Hiroshi was content with his simple life. He tilled his fields, tended to his animals, and found solace in the beauty of nature that surrounded him. The villagers admired his peaceful existence, but some wondered why he had no grand ambitions like others. One day, a renowned Zen master visited the village. The villagers flocked to listen to his wisdom. Hiroshi, too, joined the gathering, eager to absorb the teachings of the wise master. As the Zen master sat beneath a large tree, the villagers eagerly asked questions about finding purpose and pursuing ambitions. Hiroshi listened intently, but he kept his questions hidden within his heart. When the villagers had finished asking their questions, the Zen master looked around and noticed Hiroshi's silent presence. "Dear Hiroshi, I sense a question within your heart. Speak it aloud," the Zen master said kindly. Hiroshi stepped forward, his voice calm yet filled with curiosity. "Honorable master, I am content with my simple life as a farmer, but others think I lack ambition. Is it wrong to have no grand aspirations?" The Zen master's eyes twinkled as he gazed at Hiroshi. He replied, "Ambition, like all things in life, is neither inherently good nor bad. It is merely a choice. Just as a flower blooms without needing to be the tallest or most colorful, you can find fulfillment in a life free from excessive desires." The villagers exchanged puzzled glances, trying to comprehend the master's words. The Zen master continued, "Ambition often arises from a longing for external recognition or material possessions. It can consume one's peace of mind and blind them to the present moment. Hiroshi's choice to embrace simplicity and contentment is a testament to the beauty of living authentically." He turned to Hiroshi and spoke directly. "You, dear Hiroshi, have discovered the treasure of inner peace. Your dedication to nurturing the land, your gratitude for the gifts of nature, and your ability to find joy in the smallest of moments are your aspirations. Your life is a testament to the harmonious rhythm of existence." The villagers were struck by the master's words, and a profound silence filled the air. They realized that Hiroshi's lack of grand ambitions did not diminish his worth, but rather highlighted the richness of a life lived in harmony with oneself and the world. From that day forward, Hiroshi continued his life as a farmer, tending to his fields with love and care. The villagers, inspired by the Zen master's teachings, began to find contentment in their own lives, embracing simplicity and the beauty of the present moment. And so, the village flourished, not through grand achievements or ambitions, but through the collective wisdom of its inhabitants, each finding their own path to inner peace and fulfillment. In this Zen short story, the message is clear. It is okay to have no ambition in life if it means embracing simplicity, finding contentment, and living in harmony with oneself and the world. Ambition should be a choice guided by genuine passion, not a societal expectation. Each person has their own unique path, and true fulfillment lies in discovering and embracing that path, whatever it may be.